Hi everyone, welcome to AR Robotics. Have you ever wondered how connection inside the Arduino or PCB look? In today's video I am going to show you the X-ray of Arduino UNO R4 and Arduino UNO Q to reveal the connection inside the board. First we have Arduino UNO R4 and second is Arduino UNO Q. So let's see in X-ray how it's look like. So this is our Nordson X-ray machine. So first we open the door. So when I do the X-ray, I will point out some key things like any voids in the VGA component, the exact connection of the VGA, or how we can spot the any shorting with them. So keep an eye out of these detail. I place the both board on foam board so there is no risk of damaging them. So this is the X-ray machine. You can see how it look like from the inside. After placing the board, now door is closed and click on the start button. You can move the board with the help of joystick or keyboard button. This is the X-ray image of Arduino UNO Q. In the center you can see the Qualcomm chip and DDR RAM. This here is our Arduino UNO R4. You can see the track line coming out from the IC and you can also see clearly the IC pin. You can see the voids in BGA component and internal IC track also. Too many voids in any VGA component are not good for it. You can also see slight voids in DDR, but they are fully connected, so there won't be any issue. Now you are looking this section on the Arduino Q where we have the internal connectivity like Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity. This center part is a ground section of IC. And this part is our matrix LED part. You can see the connection also. In this image you can see internal shorting with the BGA ball, which is not good for board. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you enjoy it.